Oh, hello there. This week's Dig Reel actually had some pretty inspiring videos, mixed in with elderly people fist-fighting and drunken Ewoks. But here's a little taste with Best Math Teacher Ever.
What's going to happen if I step into here? Now, you can see me, but I can't see you very well. Let me see what happens if I step over here. First of all, as a reminder that that paper's due October 31st at dusk. Let me erase this so I can show you. Oh, this is the wrong eraser. This is the whiteboard eraser. Well, I don't need this. Okay, so let's see what would happen if we start with this equation right here. We would all agree that 1 equals 1. Or 1 equals 2. Something seems strange there, because that's not possible, right? It's not possible for 1 to equal 2, otherwise there would be 1 of them. And it could be, that would be the same as saying there are 2 of me. Well, if 1 equals 2, I have just as much of the right to exist as you do. I can only think of one way to get rid of this. Let's see what happens if I erase this. Wait, no, stop. Oh, okay, good. Well, I'm done with this one. Oh, I forgot. I was going to ask, does anybody have any questions about the homework?
Yeah, I do. When is chapter 15 homework
Yeah, good question. Homework is going to be due on Monday, so be sure to bring it to class on Monday. So, okay. Oh, look. I don't know what this is for. This is a water bottle. I wonder if it works. Whoa, what is that? Look around. Finally, I have a little quiz for you, just a little geometry problem here. What I have put on the board here are 2 figures. I want to see if you guys can tell the difference, if they're congruent or not. So look carefully at these 2 different triangles and tell me if you see any difference at all between those 2 figures. Look very closely.
Think of all that extra time and effort, caring about the kids that much. Let's hear some more inspiring stories from the board. Dan X. Mason says, we had an awesome teacher like that at my high school. Cool. Then he nailed a student and went to jail. Sad face. Thanks. Thank you for that. Zahir writes, the lesson, 1 equals 2. Now here's some candy. That's about as educational as we get on the Dig Reel. Check out our full episode at thedigreel.com, and for the Dig Reel and other Red 3 shows, go to revision3.com. These are all blank.